Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something exciting to share with you. Have you ever thought about making money from the comfort of your own home? Well, Quotex trading might just be the solution you've been looking for. Let's kick things off by introducing the concept of Quotex trading. It's a popular way for individuals to earn money online without having to leave their house. The best part? You can do it at your own pace and convenience. Presentation of problem/challenge now. Let's address the elephant in the room, the challenges that many people face when trying to make money online. It can be overwhelming and risky, especially with so many options out there. But fear not, Quotex Trading offers a reliable and effective solution to help you navigate through these obstacles. Exploration/development. So, what sets Quotex Trading apart? It's all about the features. With its user-friendly interface, real-time data updates, and a wide range of investment options, Quotex Trading makes it easy for anyone to get started. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, there's something for everyone. Climax/key moment now, let me share some inspiring success stories with you. There are individuals who have achieved significant profits through Quotex Trading, and you could be next. Imagine the possibilities and the financial freedom that comes with it. The key is to stay informed, stay dedicated, and watch your investments grow. Conclusion/summary. To wrap things up, let's summarize the benefits of Quotex Trading. It's a reliable platform that offers a pathway to financial growth and independence. By taking advantage of this opportunity, you're setting yourself up for a brighter future filled with endless possibilities. Call to action, CTA. So, what are you waiting for? I encourage you to sign up for Quotex Trading today, explore the world of online trading, and start your journey towards financial success. Don't forget to subscribe for more trading tips and share your own success stories in the comments below. Together, let's conquer the world of online trading and make our dreams a reality.